Markets remained volatile this week, and price action continued to signal caution at higher levels. Let's start with Multify's weekly analysis. Starting with our benchmark Nifty, the index witnessed high volatility on the weekly time frame. Nifty moved higher to form a weekly high of 25,458 and weekly low of 24,932. From lower levels, some recovery was seen and the index finally closed the week at 25,320. Structurally, the weekly chart continues to reflect a drop-based drop pattern, including supply pressure at higher zones, despite short-term pullbacks. Talking about the other index, Bank Nifty, the index also remained volatile, showed relatively better recovery from the lower levels. Bank Nifty tested a weekly high of 60,060 and weekly low of 58,121. Strong buying interest emerged near lower levels, helping the index to close at 59,610. Even though recovery was visible, the broader structure still suggests caution as volatility remains elevated. Now, looking at Sensex, the other key benchmark index, price action closely mirrored Nifty's structure. Sensex moved up to a weekly high of 82,689 and declined to a weekly low of 81,088. After witnessing the highs and lows, index managed to recover and close the week at 82,269. Similar to Nifty, Sensex continued to form drop-based drop pattern on the weekly chart, highlighting selling pressure near higher levels. From a market structure perspective, all three indices are signaling that markets are trading in a supply-dominated zone, where stock-specific and level-based trading may work better than broad directional bets. Looking ahead, the coming week will be a long and important trading week. Markets will remain open on Sunday, that is 1st February, due to the union budget, which is expected to keep volatility elevated across indices and sectors. In addition to domestic events, several high-impact global triggers are lined up for the next week. Key data includes ISM manufacturing PMI on Monday, job openings on Tuesday, non-farm employment change and ISM services PMI on Wednesday, and major employment data on Friday including non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and average hourly earnings, along with consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. To trade these market conditions with better clarity and defined levels, you can have a look at the Multify app, which provides market insights and trade ideas backed by SEBI registered analysts. So stay prepared, manage risk carefully, and trade informed with Multify.